In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact TradingView Support Center. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach TradingView's help resources, use the chat assistant effectively, and what to expect if your issue requires a formal support request. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com support. This is the official support center where you'll find help articles, FAQs, and access to their assistance tools. If you have a TradingView account, make sure you're signed in so the system can tailor answers to your plan and settings. On the support page, look for the chat assistant, usually a chat bubble or prompt on the page, and click it to open the conversation window. The assistant is designed to quickly route you to relevant articles or gather the details needed to help you faster, so it's a great first stop for most questions. In the chat box, type your question clearly and click submit. Be specific about what's happening. Mention the part of the platform you're using, the device and browser, and any error messages you've seen. For example, instead of chart issues, try chart not loading on desktop using Chrome after the latest update. Specifics help the assistant narrow down solutions and may save you time. Avoid sharing sensitive information such as passwords, payment details, or personal contact info. Those aren't needed to diagnose most issues. If your problem is more complicated, the assistant will let you know and prompt you to submit a support request. This usually happens when the issue requires account-level checks, billing review, or technical investigation by a human specialist. You'll be guided to a form where you can describe the problem in more depth. Keep your description concise but thorough, include steps to reproduce the issue, and note any troubleshooting you've already tried. The clearer your description, the faster support can help. Keep in mind that accessing support requests typically requires an upgraded plan. TradingView limits direct ticket submissions to paid tiers, so if you're on a free plan, you may be asked to upgrade before you can submit a request. If you're considering upgrading, check the plan comparison on TradingView to confirm that ticketed support is included and suits your needs. If upgrading isn't an option right now, make the most of the chat assistant and explore the Help Center articles and community discussions, which often cover common problems and quick fixes. That's it. Head to tradingview.com/support, open the chat assistant, submit your question, and, if prompted, proceed with a support request if your plan allows. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the answers you need quickly.